we are here with Ella from Kronos. And what do you think about this event?
Yeah, it's been a wonderful 3 days so far. This is actually the first in-person Cosmos event that Kronos has been involved. Being one of the largest ecosystem within Cosmos, we're super excited. Met a lot of amazing projects and talk about future collaboration with other Cosmos chains here as well. So super fruitful event.
We just checked your website, Kronos website actually, and Kronos is a Web3 startup accelerator. Could you mention a little bit?
Yeah, sure. So Kronos Labs is the accelerator that's fostering the Kronos ecosystem. So Kronos is an EVM-compatible Cosmos chain. We're also backed by Crypto.com, which is one of the largest crypto exchanges out there. So with Kronos, we're very focused on retail-facing applications. We're big on decentralized finance, on gaming, as well as NFTs. So currently we have over 400 live projects, partners, and applications on the Kronos chain.
You are working in Web3 ecosystem. How do you evaluate Web3 ecosystem?
Yeah, I've been personally working in the Web3 space for the past 7 years. Been involved in various projects, quite some time. I've been involved in different types of projects, and I think right now is the best time, I think, for people to get involved, because through the past few years, us as an ecosystem and community are trying to figure out what would be the use case for this amazing technology. And now we start to see, some of the initial attractions with decentralized exchange, with NFTs, with gamings that incorporate NFTs and token elements into it. I think we start to see the beginning of Web3 actually going to mass medium. And I think, working at Kronos really provided me the opportunity to bring in the massive billions retail users onto the Web3 journey. So super exciting.
And what do you expect from Turkish community as Kronos?
Yeah, so Turkish community is a market that we're super interested in. To be honest, we currently don't have a lot of Turkish users on the Kronos chain. I think part of the reason is we're very much focused on the Crypto.com user base, and they're mostly located in North America and European countries. But we know that the community is one of the biggest market for crypto. A lot of trading activities. People are excited about DeFi. Gaming is also quite a active space for Turkish Web3 community. So yeah, we were excited to formalize our strategy to enter this market and work with the local communities.
Do you have any idea about Turkish community?
I know people like to trade, and I think Turkish people are really comfortable of holding crypto, even more so than holding the native lira fiat currency. So I think it's a very fruitful kind of land for more Web3 projects to enter.